Good morning, everyone. Let's start off with our calendar. We know that the month is still March and our year is 2020. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and today is the 24th day of March. Good job. All right, let's look at our day and see what today is. So is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? I'm going to go right here. I'm going to look up. Today is Tuesday. Good job. Today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? Today is Tuesday. We can jump back and we see that it was Monday. Great job. It was Monday. And if today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Great job. Awesome sauce. All right. Let's count how many days we have been in school. Counting by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133. Today would be 134 days of school. So I'm going to write that number. 100 starts with a 1. 30, the tens place will have a 3, and the ones place is going to have a 4. So this is our ones place, tens place, and our hundreds place. So the number is 134 days of school. I hope you all enjoyed a little bit of a long weekend, not having to do some e-learning. But we are back on track, and I'm here to help you out in any way that I can. I hope to see you all very soon. Love and miss you.